Mother also told the parrot that the other part of jungle is pretty dangerous. There might be wild dogs, fox, and eagles, which might hunt her down. So be careful about it and don't go close to them. But as usual, the parrot ignored this advice completely. After her mother left the home, Parrot went away to fetch the food. On the way back, she met a fox.